welcome back to my YouTube channel DigiLearner. In today's video lesson, we shall discuss about how to revise the fundamental rights quickly or trick to quick revision or technique for quick memorization of fundamental rights in one video lesson. In this lesson, we shall discuss all 6 fundamental rights. First of all, we shall discuss about right to equality, Article 14 to 18. Equality before law and equal protection of law under Article 14. What Article 15 says? Article 15 says, prohibition of discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth to enter public places. Then Article 16. Article 16 deals with equality of opportunity matter of public employment. Article 17. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and prohibition of its practices. Then Article 18. Article 18 says abolition of title, except military or academic title. Then Article right to freedom, that is Article 19 to 22. The right to freedom deals with Article 19 to 22. What Article 19 says? Article 19 says 6 fundamental freedom. The citizen enjoy 6 fundamental freedom under Article 19 of the Indian Constitution. So these freedoms are freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, profession, etc. Then Article 20. Protection in respect of conviction of offences. According to Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. Then Article 21A, that is the right to elementary education or right to education from the age of 6 to 14. Protection against arrest and detention in certain cases, Article 22. Then we shall discuss about right against exploitation, Article 23 and 24 of the Indian Constitution. Article 23 says prohibition of traffic in human being or forced labor. Article 24 says prohibition of employment of children in factories. Then right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28. Article 25 says freedom of conscience, free profession, practice or propagation of religion. Then Article 26, freedom to manage illicit affairs. What Article 27 says? Freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any religions. In Article 28, freedom from attending religious instruction or worship in certain education institutions. Then cultural and educational rights, that is Article 23, 29, 30. Article 29, according to Article 29, protection of language, script, culture of minorities, both linguistic and religious. In Article 30, right of minorities to establish and administer education institution. Then right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. Right to move Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights or Honorable Supreme Court issues writs in order to safeguard the fundamental rights of individuals who violate the rights or violate the agencies These reads are habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, statutory, quo warranto under Article 32. Now, which rights are only enjoyed by the citizens and which rights are not enjoyed by the foreigners or non-citizens, and which rights are enjoyed by both citizens and foreigners. First, we shall discuss about the rights which are enjoyed by the citizens, not by the foreigners. Prohibition of discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, Article 15. Equality of opportunity in matter of popular employment, only the Indian citizens enjoy these rights. Protection of 6 rights regarding freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, profession, Article 19. These rights, these 6 fundamental freedoms are given only to the citizens, not to non-citizens or foreigners or aliens. Protection of language, script, culture of minorities, Article 29. Right to minority to establish administrative education institution, Article 30. These 2 rights are not given to foreigners, only to the Indian citizens. Prohibition trafficking human beings and forced labor, Article 23. Prohibition of employment of children in factories below the age of 14, Article 24. Freedom of conscience, freedom of profession, practice, propagation of religion, Article 25. Freedom to manage religious affairs, Article 26. Freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of religion, Article 27. Freedom of attending religious instruction, worship in certain institutions, Article 28. So these rights are only given to the citizens, not to the foreigners. Now we shall discuss about which rights are given to both citizens as well as the foreigners. Equality before law and equal protection law, Article 14. These rights are given to both Indian citizens and foreigners, not the enemy aliens. Protection in respect of conviction of offences, Article 20. Protection of life and personal liberty, Article 21. These rights are also given to both Indian citizens and foreigners. Right to elementary education, Article 21A. This rights are also given to foreigners as well as the citizens of India. Protection against arrest and or detention in certain cases. This under Article 22. This rights is also provided to both Indian citizens and the foreigners. Thank you very much. In next video lesson, we shall discuss about directive principles of state policy. Thank you.